Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. O Allah, increase me in knowledge. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the Educator online classes. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. I'm your English teacher. So today student we are going to do the dictation words and word sentences of unit number 10. Now student, here come the unit number 10 and the name of our unit is Little Red Riding Hood and the Wolf. So now class, here come the dictation words of unit number 10, that is Little Red Riding Hood and the Wolf. So now class, as you can see, there are 5 dictation words, so everyone please read with me. The first word is decent, and what is the meaning of decent? Decent means respectable. Now look on the second one, that is forgot, and what is the meaning of forgot class? Forgot means fail to remember. Now look on the third one, that is replied. And what is the meaning of replied class? As you know, the meaning of replied is to give answer, which means jawab dena. Now look on the fourth one, that is creature. And what is the meaning of creature class? Creature means a living being, an animal or human. If we talk about the meaning of creature in Urdu, it means makhluk. Now look on the fifth one, that is wrong. And what is the meaning of wrong? That is not right, which means galat. Now class, here come the word sentences of unit number 10, that is Little Red Riding Hood and the Wolf. And the first word is decent. And what is the sentence of decent? That is Ali belongs to a decent family. Now look on the second one class. Second word is forgot. And what is the meaning of forgot? Which means bhool jana. I forgot to lock the door, which means, what is the meaning of forgot? I forgot to lock the door, which means मैं दरवाजा lock करना भूल गया. Now look on the third one, that is replied. And what is the sentence of replied class? That is I simply replied with a smile, which means मैंने मुस्कुराते हुए जवाब दिया. Now look on the fourth one, that is creature. And what is the sentence of creature? That is a mouse is a tiny creature. And the fifth word is wrong. And what is the sentence of wrong? That is you gave me the wrong number, which means तुमने मुझे गलत number दिया. Now class, here come your homework. So what you have to do in the homework, learn and write dictation words and word sentences of unit number 10 on your notebook. Class, you can also make the title page of unit number 10, that is Little Red Riding Hood and the Wolf. And after that, you're gonna write the dictation words and word sentences of unit number 10. There is a note as well. Do your homework neatly. Your handwriting should be legible and write with the proper formation. I hope that class, your concepts are clear now. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.